Hua Hin Railway Station is a major stop on Thailand's Southern Line, located about 220 kilometers south of Bangkok and only 850 meters from Hua Hin Beach. Located in the town center, it's just a short 10-minute walk or tuk-tuk ride to the beach, night markets and hotels. The roundabout in front of the railway station has heavy traffic, so watch carefully before you cross the road. One of the most recognizable features of Hua Hin Railway Station is the Pra Mongkut Klau Pavilion, a four-gabled royal waiting room originally built during the reign of King Vajiravud or Rama VI. Once known as Sanam Chandra Pavilion, the structure was used by the king during military drills at Sanam Chandra Palace in Nakhon Pathom. It was later relocated to Hua Hin in 1967 by the State Railway of Thailand in honor of the king's legacy. The building itself is complemented by a well-maintained garden and a peaceful tree-lined location, a short distance from the seafront. The original station was first built in 1911, but the structure seen today dates back to 1926. Painted in red and beige, it features a striking blend of wood and masonry with Victorian-style architecture, making it one of Thailand's most distinctive and iconic historic railway buildings. The site has served as a railway stop for over a century and holds a special place in the local heritage. The station building is largely made of wood and designed in Victorian style. The building and even the station signs follow the same striking color combination of red and beige. The interior of the station building matched the ornate exterior. This small metal tree in front of the pavilion contained many small metal hearts with wishes that tourists and locals have hung up. On the 11th of December 2023, operations officially moved to the new elevated Hua Hin Railway Station, constructed as part of the country's double-track railway project and coinciding with the closure of the old Hua Hin Station. The old station next door remains a popular landmark. Its central location makes it easy for travelers to explore Hua Hin's main attractions, including the beach, the night market, and the town's many restaurants and hotels, all within easy reach. Despite no longer being used for rail transport, the historic station continues to welcome visitors daily. It now functions as a cultural attraction and informal museum, preserving items of railway heritage and offering a glimpse into Hua Hin's past. Central location and unique architecture have made it a favorite backdrop for both casual snapshots and more serious photography.
Hast du Lelavandi geklaut?
This lovely flower was given the name Leelavadi by the former Queen Sirikit. The white ones are most common, but you can also find red and pink ones. Whether it's your first time in Hua Hin or your 10th, taking a photo at the station is a small but meaningful way to connect with the town's rich history. The station is more than just a place where trains come and go. It's a symbol of Hua Hin's transition from a quiet fishing village to a beloved royal retreat and a modern tourist destination. It's a living piece of history where you can almost hear the whispers of a bygone era while observing the hustle and bustle of daily life meshed with timeless traditions. As I mentioned, the new elevated platform was completed and put into operation in December 2023. The new platform and building are kept in the same colors as the old, red and beige, and despite its size, the architects have, in my opinion, managed to match the old station quite well. Visiting the Hua Hin railway station is like stepping back in time, and one feature that continues to draw attention are the vintage steam locomotives on display, imported from England and used in Thailand prior to the Second World War. On the premises, You will find this old 305-unit Baldwin steam locomotive on display. One can walk along the platforms and admire the well-preserved vintage steam locomotives that stand as static exhibits. These retired locomotives are a tribute to the age of steam travel and fascinate both young and old visitors. There are trains throughout the day, either from Hua Hin to Surat Thani or to Bangkok. The train ride from Hua Hin to Bangkok takes 3.5 hours, while the journey time to Surat Thani is between 5 hours 41 minutes for the fastest train to 6 hours 10 minutes for the slowest train. From a bird's eye perspective here, with my drone, you will certainly be impressed how they have managed to keep free passageways for cars, motorcycles, and pedestrians to the Gulf Yard on the opposite side of the railway station by elevating the platform and railway tracks. The ticket counters at Hua Hin train station are open all hours of the day, as there are train arrivals and departures at nearly all times of the day. The ticket counters are rarely busy, and you should have little difficulty in getting served. Where you might have more difficulty is if you try to book a sleeper berth on the same day as you travel. Hua Hin Station has been considered to be the most beautiful station in Thailand, and I can certainly agree to that. Therefore, it is popular as a landmark and a photo spot of Hua Hin for visitors. Just outside the entrance to the station, you will be greeted by two restored train carriages that are actually a library. At daytime, we noticed all the light bulbs hanging down from the two large monkey-nut trees outside the station, and we just had to come back after sunset to watch what it looked like in the dark hours. We were not disappointed. Just look at this amazing light show hanging down from the trees. Hua Hin probably has one of the most photographed railway stations in the world. Many visitors come not to catch a train, but to admire the graceful architecture and craftsmanship of a bygone era and take a selfie or two. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel to inspire me to make more videos from our travel adventure in Southeast Asia. I still have a lot of footage to edit, so there will be more videos.